like inside here.
No, I'm just in movement. The food is in here.
Bro, somebody get this dinosaur away from me. Somebody get this damn dinosaur away from me.
Go.
Hey, big idiot fool boy, you can't come out the road. You don't know how to drive, son. Big wharf dog face boy. Drive.
Watch out. And I show me. They go show them say I'm a certified driver, you know.
Fine.
We had to palm a tree. Eh? We had to palm a tree. Sir, are you a tree? No, I not for me tree. I feel me land, I'm my tree.
Sir,
the man go there made it for it to a feel me.
Sir, government say when your yard fence up is a yard. Your yard don't fence, so this is not your yard.
That no say, I feel me land. I feel your land?
Sir, let me show you. Me just there because me have to think them to sell a morning and the people them go want the mango. So me I borrow it from for a tree. So when the tree blossom back, it put it back.
What do you mean by boy, you hear yourself?
Yeah. You not hear me. Me hear myself, you not hear me. Most of the time I hear all myself right around the clock. I'm in mouth now move.
Watch you know. Me no bag a long talking. Put up mango on the tree. Me away. Right now.
Sir, the mango tree is going to put it back. I'm borrowing it.
Boy, oh yeah, give me some more stuff. I'm sure
No, sorry. I'm not telling the truth. That's unfair. You have to give me a chance. If you run go in an OC machine, you don't have a machine pan. Sir, where the machine pan you?
Because I'm in yard, me have to walk with safety.
Sir, just act like you say, he cut last year, left in an house and go back in feet. You have to give me a chance to run so you can say that boy, then in the day me catch him. You ever hear say them a catch me yet? Man like me, you know, catch. That's why I try to show you if you give me a chance.
Oh.
You understand?
That's why I mean, no, for you no chance.
Yeah. Eh?
If you just wait your tight right now.
Every morning, me put out my clothes and pan line. Eh? Every morning, me put out my clothes pan line. All my brand new Batman brief. So, me can't find my brief them. Eh?
How we matter?
You me attack. Every time you put out my clothes and pan line, you want come do like say you want come look at my clothes and,
Yeah,
and then all of a sudden my clothes, my brief gone.
Oi. Yeah, hear me I say?
Talk if you talk now.
You get like a brief and you rag going on your line yesterday.
Move first and go. When time you look across the line with the entire you say you wash me some big hole like back part of your brief. I say you're dangerous. Move fire and go.
Your favor, go away, you go like a brief.
Where?
Hello, I mean, me can't make you know say I'm a thief, you know. Can't make you know say I'm a thief. Move your ugly self, you ugly like a brief.
Where? You're warm.
Oi, come here. You have to wash your things, I'm good there.
Yeah, I want to say, I look all across over Yvette yard and I just say, oh, Yvette. If you put up one jazz for the line, it look like a fan when you high school, you know.
Me still have your boy, you say me
Yeah,
thief.
your teeth, me brief. Move, where?
God.
Hello, where you going with?
God.
No, say me are in a pot dog, you know, and I walk as you around there.
Gaza thugs are jealous. When I talk to Gaza thugs, no way I do. Because Gaza thugs no talk about food. You understood? What is that in my nose? I'm out.
You go give me fever, fuck.
Hello, season me attack, how you do the things up?
Gaza.
Watch out.
No. Not like a foreplay, no?
Foreplay?
Seriously?
You never know.
Honestly?
Foreplay. You never know you like foreplay. Four. Ruby, that's four people kind of play a Ruby.
Hold on. What is?
Just say you want foreplay.
And this me I talk about.
So, go for protection.
Yes, protection me need, protection me want.
Alright. I really know if you come hard. So.
Valor. And this me I talk about babes. I'm not this.
You know, so I really feel like you don't want to give me nothing tonight.
And this, I'm not this me I talk about babes.
You don't want to give me nothing but everything good. You don't want to give me an attack. Okay guys, here's the bill. How's the food?
Everything alright?
Wonderful. I just need 2 to-go boxes.
Oh, you ready to leave now? You want that now? Yes, this food was too good. I need to bring... What's wrong with you?
You need a He's gone, man.
What me do?
Hey, come pack up your stuff.
Him ask feet.
You're not fit for work here.
Him just ask feet.
Suppose the man press charges.
The only something for always listen to the customer.
Ah!
What happened to you?
That's hot in the brother.
Hot?
You're nearly my hands hard.
Me don't know.
Take your time, man.
Sorry, boss. Sorry. Yeah, alright.
Take it out, feelings.
Alright.
Ah! You don't hear me? I say, ha. Me say, ha, that mean box.
Me I hear you, boss. Me I hear you.
Yeah. Let me say, box side. Hear me, I say. Hear me, I say. No. You didn't say. Not be me and nearly so. Sure, I mean, call me 10 this indicates for you, you know. Yo, the mama. Come! You say you want to find love, right?
Yes, boss. Yes, boss.
Yeah. Me see reason why you want to find love, man. Love hard for you get down.
Yeah. Oh, God, man, boss.
Yeah, man, love go hard for you get.
Yeah, say what go on.
Yeah, love go hard for you get, me tell you.
That's true.
Yeah.
Well, boss, yeah.
Yeah, what? One less and pull it. Don't eat it yet. And if you eat it, don't spit it out. And don't stop eating. And if you eat it already, tell me you're dead. And the judgment going to be the judgment. Hey. Eat it. You're dead now. Come and show you what old for kneeling now. Come. Mr. Come. But I'm going to finish eating again. Why you ugly now? I have first somebody me a DM here.
So after that, I just block him.
Never that funny here. Don't do that again.
So, Mr. Butterfield, the results are as follows. Tell me about the results. You're, so to speak, hypertension. You were not hypertensive. I lie. So the high blood pressure that you were speaking of, no, you are not with high blood pressure. Your blood tests, we found nothing in the blood that is to worry you. That is good. There's only one test that I think you should take, considering your age. And which test is that, Mr. Fix-It? That test would be the prostate exam. What? What then? Yeah, big bro. Yeah, this is a doctor you saying you want to look in a bottom. What? No, not like that. I doctor boy. Go yeah, this him. Leave the place. But you want to check out bottom. Lift up. He's a batty doctor. Boy, you want to look in a bottom. Go again. Take care, Mr. Butterfield. Now say nothing to me, man. Imagine me pay for the house call for you deliver me results. And not this me get. Left from boy, man. Hey. That's why me tell you, say, leave the things where responsive Bobby wrong. I man, nah, tell you foolishness, aya. Anything mix up with Bobby wrong, can't good. I can't believe Mr. Fix-It. You have to foresee the dangers of Bobby wrong. Me never know, me never know Hopeton, and I deserve a lightning ball. Hopeton, how would I know? How me ever know say that gonna happen? Oh shit. Those were some crazy people.
They just a light me. I look a breakfast and I brain fast in the morning. I'm hungry.
So you gonna look me, dog?
I want to tell you, say me I go see if I can get a Bills bag.
As morning lights up?
I want special.
So I'm here tea. You not drink tea at morning time?
You know tea, me I tell you. Jesus Christ, brother. Shop lock, brother. You know, star.
Judge, dog.
You know. Sure. Yeah, beg $100 now.
Dog, me have $100 that morning, just light.
You know. Yeah, I want something idea. Beg a $50 now.
So dog, I can't even look at work.
Eh?
You don't feel like you can't work?
Brother, just give me $50. Yeah, beg a $50 now, man.
We did big me $50. Today I lost your whole list.
Jano. I tell you, yo, a long time I retain a youth. Long time I retain a youth. How much out of this?
Take your wallet, man. We're going to buy feet.
Wallet?
Yeah, we're going to buy feet.
Change this now. When I want there with nanny for my room face.
Oh, the 5 bills you want?
Yeah. No. $5,000 bill. Easy no man. You know, Tingo. I tell you some want a brain fast now man, you know, bills bag. I want special. You understand? Come I tell you right now, I'm hungry, you know, white scar I try to take off my face, you know, youth. Right, I go up the road that still, you know. Give me $5 now. I buy one brain fast. Give me $5 now. Whether I see money, it's me I tell you say yo youth if you stay in a school, you know, youth. Because I know come out come be a cruff, you know. You understand?
Like you?
This, yeah, this all man, you know, brother, yeah, you may go up the road, yeah, man. Yo, you know, sugar around here, yeah.
Yo, go buy sugar on the dog.
True. You know,